Did you know that a simple hug can say more than words? Some hugs scream, I love you, while others whisper, I just need comfort. And then there are those awkward, I don't know why we're hugging moments. Today I am breaking down the types of hugs and what they really mean. The tight bear hug, I missed you hug. This is the hug that squeezes the life out of you in the best way possible. If someone hugs you like this, it usually means they truly care about you, missed you, or just feel really close to you. The tighter the hug, the deeper the bond. The one arm hug, the bro hug. You have seen this one. One arm quick pat on the back, it's the classic bro hug. This is common between friends, especially when they wanna show they care without getting too emotional. But if someone gives you this instead of a full hug, they might not be that into it. The back pat hug. You are my buddy hug. This hug feels warm, but if there is a lot of back patting, it's more of a friendly or comforting gesture. If you were hoping for romance but got the pat pat sorry, you might be in the friend zone. The waist hug. I love you hug. If someone wraps their arms around your waist and pulls you in, that's a big sign of love and attraction. This hug is usually between couples or people who feel super close. If this is how they hug you, congratulations, they are into you. The long hug. I don't want to let go hug. This is the hug that lasts. If someone holds on to you for longer than usual, it's because they need that hug. Maybe they are sad, maybe they just love you a lot. But either way, they are finding comfort in you. The pickup hug. I am so happy to see you hug. This one is full of excitement. If someone lifts you off the ground while hugging, they are showing pure joy. It's the ultimate I am so happy to see you hug. The running hug. I can't contain my excitement. This is the dramatic movie style hug where someone runs into another person's arms. It's full of happiness and energy, usually between people who have not seen each other in a long time or are just super close. The group hug. This is a hug that happens between three or more people. It's full of love, friendship, and unity. Perfect for celebrations, comfort, or just a random moment of togetherness. What's your hug style? So now you know, hugs are not just hugs. They have hidden meanings and the way someone hugs you can tell you a lot. What's your go-to hug? Drop it in comments below. And if you have ever received an awkward hug, I wanna hear that story too.